At our winter solstice gathering at CrossFit AVL recently, I wrote some words on New Year's resolutions, and I'd like to share them with you now. New Year's resolutions are commonly known to fail, and nature will help us understand why. Winter is a time for change, but that change is neither external nor visible. The trees appear dead on the outside, but beneath the earth they are deepening and expanding their roots. If a tree offers its blossoms for all to see in the chill winter winds, no matter how beautiful and momentarily inspiring, the blossom will freeze, wither, and disappear. The energy will have been a waste. A pronouncement of a resolution. Hey everyone, listen and see the changes I am making. At the start of a new year is a poorly timed external blossom. An effortful and boastful expression of energy that will freeze and fall away, resulting in no true changes and limiting long-term growth. Down in the darkness, trees are expanding their roots, building the strength to withstand the storms of the next year. Finding some warmth beneath the surface, they are building more connections with both the soil and other trees around them. The interconnectedness will allow them to hold firm when seasons change, but this is not obvious to the external onlooker. Resolutions are not flowers to put on display for all to see. They are the quiet promises we make to ourselves. They are small changes that we engage in repeatedly when no one is around to see it. They are the quiet shifts to our inner dialogue that only our spirit can hear. When the air is cold, we can retreat inward, into the gym, into the sauna, into our spirit, and find the warmth and connection that will allow us to remain safe and stable despite the storms headed our way. The winter tree we have here has dedicated itself as a symbol for us to appreciate. It will stand strong and hold the light as we work our way out of the darkness. We have some cards that we can write our dark, inner opportunities to grow. We will write them down, fold the card to hide our quiet promise, set it in the tree, and use that process as a reminder when we feel cold each day. When it appears we are struggling, turn within and make the subtle shift. When we see others struggle on the outside, remember that our work is deep within and trust that they, too, are doing their work within. As the light of day grows, as the warmth of the air returns, as spring approaches, we will set fire to this tree and to these cards. The fire will change what was this stationary tree into nutrients for the soil, and smoke to signal the change that has occurred within us. The fire will shift what was our intention today into our reality of tomorrow, a reality which will offer nutrients for those around us and spread goodwill across the land. This winter, we shall find our strength in the darkness.